This plane's delivering a very special message. It's a girl. This couple discovered the gender of their unborn baby with an elaborate airplane stunt. Brad and Rachel Reed found out they were pregnant in April. Brad's friend David is an aerial crop duster.
So this is David. David's the one responsible for the secret. He's
Yep.
the only one that knows, right?
Yep, as far as I know.
David was given the task of ordering pink or blue water to be dropped from a plane in front of the couple's friends and family at the big event.
You don't have a clue what you're having.
Nope, don't have a clue.
Mama, don't have a clue what you're
I
having.
think girl, but I don't know.
You're thinking girl, and you're thinking...
I don't have a clue, honestly.
When the plane soared across the sky, the secret was out. Not everyone was excited.
I was hoping for a boy.
But we're gonna have
I was.
and it's just fun.
And I have all them little girls there.
I'm Kelly Nealon for InsideEdition.com.